Hello, my fellow wizards, alchemists, mad scientists, and visionaries, please allow me to guide you through your new laboratory. First of all, the main dish. Here, you have a nice, ready-to-use cauldron with modern controls and Niagara emitter. The usual tools are, of course, included. Please take a look. On your right, you will find manuals to brew your perfect domination potion, or nice too, of course. You'll also find some bottles, boxes, books. Everything is included, don't worry. Then comes the masterpiece, a big, great alembic. Efficiency guaranteed. Again, modern comfort with Niagara emitters for fire and water drops, and blueprints to control it. Next are ingredients: mortar, knife, gross release, well domination formula, of course. Let's take a look further in the room, if you please. As you can see, the finishes are included. We have beautiful libraries, candles, stool, step ladders, barrel, and of course more conventional ceramics. Don't worry, they are easy to use as your chunky friend. If you need to go visit the world, the ultimate teleporter is included. The company cannot be held liable for in the event of a particle loss, of course. Each asset here is optimized with texture as light as possible. Geometries are quite simple but efficient, and of course blueprints are made to help you prepare the most cozy lab ever. Thank you for your visiting, and we hope you enjoyed your time in our humble establishment. I'm sorry, it was my boss. He means, of course, feel free to buy our assets on Unreal Engine Marketplace. And if you have a little bit of time to spare, please check our project Stranded in Outer Space, link in the description under the video. Thank you, my friends.